Decide on the type of person you aspire to be and remain true to this identity, whether you're alone or with others. Not seeking out affection is akin to being the central star in your own emotional universe. Instead of pursuing distant entities, foster an inner magnetic force that naturally draws others into your orbit. Much like the moon is held by the Earth's gravity, let your confidence be the force that attracts others without pleading or holding expectations. To master love or sustain a relationship, dedication and attentiveness are essential. This includes patience and the sharing of emotions with your loved one. Most importantly, for a relationship to thrive and bring joy, it is crucial to be authentic. In this video, we will explore the enigma of love, drawing analogies to Stoicism and reimagining the pursuit of connections as a ballet of trust, self-worth, and, most importantly, self-awareness. We will also look into personal development, emphasizing that every decision shapes our journey. Remember, just like stars evolve, we too can progress towards our brightest selves, thereby attracting and sustaining meaningful relationships. Before we continue, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all the content is vital. Stay strong and focused. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We are currently living in a new era, dominated by technology and social media, which has significantly increased our disconnection from society, particularly in terms of direct, physical, and real interaction with others. This shift has made the development of deep relationships even more challenging. Although Stoicism does not specifically focus on romantic relationships, this video will explore how Stoic principles can help you recognize and understand patterns that might influence your choice of a life partner. By becoming aware of your surroundings, you'll be better prepared to achieve your life goals. Therefore, I suggest that you always rely on logic rather than sentimentality to find someone who aligns with your core values. We need to challenge the widespread notion of love at first sight, popularized by romantic narratives and films that often depict love as an impulsive and emotional phenomenon driven mainly by physical attraction or an elusive chemistry. Don't be misled by this fantasy. Love is not something that just appears out of nowhere. It is not a shiny object to be found and picked up like a treasure. Rather, love is like a garden that requires careful cultivation, involving constant work, steadfast dedication, patience, time, and most importantly, trust. True love can be devastating when broken, particularly in cases of betrayal. It's crucial to differentiate between true love, obsession, and mere physical attraction, as confusing these can lead to toxic relationships and the challenging process of letting go, which can inflict deep and lasting emotional wounds. Sometimes individuals get trapped in this dark emotional state for years or even a lifetime. True love, in its purest essence, involves understanding, commitment, and appreciation for the character and values of another person. It's about admiring and valuing not only who your partner is today, but also who they are becoming. This understanding is the essence of a Stoic relationship and any healthy, loving relationship. Remember, your well-being and happiness largely depend on the relationships you cultivate. We've discussed in another video how these principles also perfectly apply to friendships. Although we are focusing on romantic relationships here, the concept of love extends beyond your partner and should also encompass self-love. True love involves treating your partner with the same respect and care you treat yourself, and expecting the same in return. In Stoicism, Reciprocity is seen as the practice of returning the good we receive, acting justly and generously, and is considered a crucial virtue for life in society. Stoics believe we are all part of a larger community and should act for each other's benefit. Practicing reciprocity in a relationship means expressing gratitude and recognition for the other person, thereby strengthening the bonds crucial for a life together. In relationships, ensure it is an honor for both you and your partner. Never give more of yourself to someone who is not willing to do the same. Maintaining your self-respect, valuing yourself, and recognizing the right time to move on are essential for keeping a healthy emotional state, even if the process is painful. Remember, if you are unhappy and the actions of the other continually hurt you without change, the pain will only prolong. Over time, you might lose respect for yourself and your brightness may fade. Therefore, love and respect yourself and learn to end things when necessary. Also, remember that time has a wonderful ability to heal the deepest wounds. There will be scars, but the damage is not eternal. You cannot change others, only yourself. You cannot inspire change in someone who is not willing to undertake that journey for themselves. If you find yourself in this situation, embrace the teachings of Stoicism. Focus on what you can change, maintain your dignity, and leave behind anything that no longer contributes to your happiness. You may wonder how to choose your life partner. A common mistake is to focus too much on physical appearance. While physical attraction is an important component of relationships, physical beauty is fleeting and should not be the main criterion in your search for a partner. Over time, you will value inner beauty, personality, and real values more, qualities important for a lasting and healthy relationship. Youth and physical beauty fade, and if your relationship is based solely on these aspects, you may find yourself questioning it in the future. Seek a connection that goes beyond the superficial, one that endures over time, remaining solid and vibrant despite the passing years. Avoid obsessing over finding the physically perfect person, the one most coveted by current standards. You have no control over the past, but it is possible to envision the future. Try to predict what a relationship will be like years from now. Channel your energy into finding a life partner who stands out for their intelligence, someone who can become your best friend, your trusted advisor, your solid support in the face of adversity, because adversity will come. Look for someone with whom you feel comfortable starting a family and with whom you feel secure to have children, regardless of whether this is your current plan. This advice is universal and applicable to both men and women. It's crucial to understand that nobody is perfect. Seeking the ideal partner portrayed in movies will only limit your options and close doors to potential opportunities. Avoid focusing exclusively on one person, especially if that person shows no interest in you. Sometimes we give ourselves to people who do not reciprocate our feelings or even deserve us. We waste valuable time and may sacrifice parts of our essence in a vain attempt to gain their approval. According to Stoic philosophy, we must learn to accept what is beyond our control. We cannot change or force someone's feelings toward us. Remember, there are countless people in the world, and receiving a no simply indicates that the specific person failed to recognize your true worth. In reality, you are not experiencing a loss. Receiving a no may be just a sign of incompatibility that you may not perceive at the moment, but will come to understand and even appreciate over time. Therefore, do not be discouraged. Persist. There are many individuals in the world who truly value and appreciate your authenticity and potential. Your opportunities are greater than you might imagine. Remember, every no you receive brings you one step closer to that yes that will change your life. Emperor Marcus Aurelius, known for his wisdom and love for Stoic philosophy, shared his life with a woman of equal emotional and mental stature. Together, they formed one of the most powerful and respected couples in Roman history. Faustina was more than just the emperor's wife. She was his life companion and equal in many aspects. The depth of their relationship and mutual appreciation was reflected in their correspondence and the state decisions they made together. The relationship between Marcus Aurelius and Faustina was a testament to the Stoic principles they both cherished and applied in their lives. They practiced temperance, justice, courage and wisdom, the cardinal virtues of Stoicism, not only in their governance but also in their personal relationship. They faced adversity together, maintaining calm and rationality amid political and personal crises. Marcus Aurelius, despite being an emperor, faced the loss of many of his children and the constant pressure of leading the Roman Empire. In the midst of all this, he found solace and support in his wife. However, their relationship was not free from rumors and challenges. There were accusations, but despite it all, Marcus Aurelius staunchly defended her and never allowed the malicious words of others to harm their relationship. This act of unwavering faith is an example of the Stoic value of moral courage and loyalty. Love, from the Stoic perspective, is a choice, a conscious commitment. Just like Marcus Aurelius and Faustina, we can all learn to love in this way, choosing our partner not just for physical appearance or financial status, but for character, integrity, and the ability to be a true life companion. These are the things that truly hold value and endure over time. Share your love experiences in the comments and tell us if this video has helped you in any way. See you soon.